Maruti Suzuki Swift. Today we will talk about the 2010 VDI model. Today we'll talk about the common problem with the diesel car engine. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Sam0059. Today I am going to show you how to change the heater glow plug. First of all, you need to remove the plug and then check whether it is good or not. As you can see over here, the heater glow plug has a slug on a tip. As you can see, the heater glow plug is mounted over here. Usually glow plug is a heating element that heats incoming fuel and air to encourage efficient fuel combustion in a diesel engine. So guys, now we have a new micro Bosch heater glow plug which cost me around 560 rupees, which we have to replace with the older one. So before installing the heater glow plug, we have to check whether it is glowing properly or not. So guys, you can see over here the heater glow plug is glowing properly. So guys, you can see over here we have replaced the all 4 heater glow plugs with a new one. Guys, now we'll start the engine and check whether the heater glow plug is working good or not. But as you can see over here, the starting problem is almost over. The heater glow plugs works totally fine, and before replacing the new one, it takes 4 to 5 seconds to start, but now it takes only 2 to 3 seconds to crank, and it's totally fine.
Glow plug take around 15 seconds to warm up. Once the wait to start lights goes out, try to crank the engine. It depends on the plug you use. Fast plug only need a preheating time of just few seconds. Other plug must preheat for up to 15 seconds to low ambient temperature. It is programmed like that to heat up for a few seconds.
Hope you guys got a knowledge of heater glow plug. Hope you guys liked the video. For more automotive leaks, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Yeah.